Before you invest in Runway Health, there are a few things you should know. Whether you're considering it for yourself or your business, there are key factors that could make or break your experience. In this video, we'll break down the 7 things you need to know before purchasing, and I'll even show you how it compares to other software in the space. Stay tuned until the end, because I'm going to share a way for you to try Runway Health completely free. Now, let's get into it. The first thing to know is that Runway Health is designed with simplicity in mind. Compared to some other health management platforms, which can get bogged down with complex features, Runway Health is incredibly user-friendly. It's built to streamline your health operations, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned professionals. If you've ever been overwhelmed by overly complicated software, this is a breath of fresh air. Next thing, integration. Runway Health plays well with many third-party apps and tools, which is a massive benefit if you already use other software in your workflow. In fact, its ability to sync up with various data sources makes it a top choice for businesses looking to consolidate their health-related management into one platform. While competitors might leave you jumping between systems, Runway Health keeps everything in one place for easy access. The third thing you need to know is the pricing structure. While some alternatives might hit you with hidden fees or restrictive subscription tiers, Runway Health offers clear, transparent pricing. It's a subscription-based model, but the flexibility of their packages means you can scale your usage depending on your needs. If you're just getting started, it's affordable. And if you're a large-scale operation, you won't be nickel and dimed with extra costs. This level of clarity helps businesses plan their budget better than most competitors. The fourth thing is their customer support. When you're dealing with a health management system, you don't want to be left in the dark when issues arise. Runway Health has a reputation for exceptional support, with 24/7 availability and an extensive knowledge base. Many competitors fall short in this department, offering limited hours or slow response times, but Runway Health ensures you have the help you need when you need it. Next up is data security. Runway Health puts a major focus on keeping your data safe. They use state-of-the-art encryption and follow all the necessary compliance regulations to protect sensitive information. In a world where data breaches are becoming more common, knowing that Runway Health keeps your information secure is crucial. Many other platforms might boast about security, but Runway Health backs it up with real, concrete practices. The sixth thing to understand is scalability. Whether you're an individual or a large company, Runway Health grows with you. Some tools may cater better to small users or big enterprises, but Runway Health gives you the flexibility to scale based on your needs. That means you won't outgrow the platform as your business expands, unlike with some other software options that can feel restrictive when you start growing. Finally, the last thing you need to know is that Runway Health offers a completely free trial. That's right. Before making any commitment, you can dive into all of its features and see if it's right for you. Many competitors make you pay upfront without fully understanding the platform, but Runway Health gives you the chance to try it without the pressure. So if you're thinking about trying out Runway Health, why not start with the free trial? Click the first link in the description below to access it, along with exclusive benefits. This is your opportunity to dive into all the features without any commitment and truly understand how Runway Health can work for you. Don't miss out. Try Runway Health for yourself today.